Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to link your Zendrop to Shopify. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Add Apps button at the left side of your screen and a pop-up will appear. Inside it, click on the Shopify App Store embed at the bottom and a new window will load up. Now, click on the search bar and search for Zendrop. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the Zendrop app and then install it onto your Shopify store. After the installation completes, your Shopify store will be connected to Zendrop automatically. Now, in order to import products, scroll down towards the bottom and then click on the Add to My Products button. You can also import products from AliExpress by clicking on this dedicated button. Once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Simply click on the Download Extension button and install this Zendrop extension onto your browser. Once you are done with it, go to a product of AliExpress that you would like to import, open the Zendrop extension and click on the Login button. Then, get back to the product page and again click on the extension icon. This time, there will be a feature called Import Product that you can use to import that specific item. After importing all of the products, get back to the Zendrop website, navigate to the My Products page, and all of your products will be displayed here. As I don't have the right Zendrop plan, I will show you some screenshots of what you would need to do. Simply click on the Review and Publish button and a pop-up will appear. You just need to change the settings to your preference and then click on the Publish button. Then just check mark the statement and click on the Confirm button. After that, get back to Shopify website and navigate to the products page. Here, all of your imported products will be displayed. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.